Truly, truly, this is a sad world. This is a world of uncertainty. This is a world of mystery. That your own life, you have no control over it. The life can be taken away from you within a sudden and a twinkling of an eye. God have mercy on humankind. What a tragedy, what a sad news for Ghana this afternoon that noble men who were going to work for Ghana had been taken away suddenly, unannounced, unnoticed. God have mercy on mankind. I pray that God will have mercy on the family and console the heart of the family, for this is a sad news for Ghana. God have mercy on us. As human beings, we must have it in mind that we have no control over our own soul. The little thing unknown can take away our lives. Certain things that we never expect, we think we are going and we'll be coming back, will take our life. Life is a mystery, truly. And only God can understand the mystery behind life. Death is indeed mystery, which takes away both great, mighty, and wonderful men out of this life suddenly. God have mercy on humankind. May their soul rest in perfect peace. And may God have mercy on their soul as they journey to the next world. God have mercy.